Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at number 2072, Route 16, Albany, New Hampshire. We just opened up the leach lines. We're in leach line number 1. All the root is shredded out of here. This is the root mass that we pulled out of there. That was probably about 28 inches long. We're up at the connection. I'm going to start heading back. That's all shredded loose. Okay, let's come up. We'll go on to number 2. Around the turn.
Couldn't even go six feet in this one.
Okay. Sag pushing some old dead root there. There's the turn right there.
30 feet.
Yep, okay, good. Definitely have him put some root killer in there. Especially now he's got this nice new riser on here that was installed by Turner Septic. Always doing a great job with those. Okay, let's go up number 3. Yep, that's the other bend that we went through. Cool, looks good. Okay, we're going to go up number 4. Just clean that lens off. Little root clump that we're pushing around that'll decay. Always end up at 1. Yeah, yep, right in the corner. Okay, yep, cool. That's that loose root that'll decay. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Coming out. Just gonna do a little spin towards the house. There we go. So we know it's your property, and that concludes the cleaning and inspection. Everything went good.